You ready? You ready? Yeah, you ready? Move it.
It's BarkBox Day! This is the time of month where Kronus opens his BarkBox. This is June's BarkBox, and it is a special BarkBox. We renewed our BarkBox. It's been 1 whole year since we've been doing these videos. This is the Galapagos Tails of the Tropics. Let's see what we have. Oh, he's a turtle. Oh, what's he do? What's he do? Oh, he squeaks. Oh. The tag says this is Tomas Tortuga. Tomas Tortuga. Wait. Oh God. It says Spiky Squeaker, Crinkle Craze, Treat Trap. Oh, there's a treat trap in this tortoise. Where's the treat trap? We can stick treats in there. Oh, Bubba Simone like treat traps. What's this?
Seal.
A seal. It's a what is that?
Santiago.
Santiago seal. Does it squeak? All right, looks like we got a Purr Love duck stick, plus we got 2 other treat bags. We got the Oinky Rolls and the Oinky Jerky Sticks. Ooh, and this Oinky Roll is with molasses. Just smell it. You want to smell it? Oh, let's stick a tongue in there.
Do you like one of them?
Mmm.
Get him to it.
This is so good.
You got to chew it up.
Oh, this is so good. You're so nice. This is going to be the jerky sticks. The Bubba smell it. The Bubba smell the bag. Bubba, you smell the bag?
You got mouth. Got no lip.
Oh, he says, give me that, Dad. This is not for you. This is for me.
Dude, take your time.
He said you were going to take it from me. This is so good. Let's see if we can sneak one of our Oinky Rolls into our treat trap.
Okay, yeah, now I bet you won, don't you? Huh? Yeah, now you won, huh? Yeah, you didn't want it.
He said, hold it, turtle, still. That turtle, you steal all my treats. So here's all the possibilities of the toys that you can get with your Galapagos BarkBox. It looks like we got, of course, the Santiago seal, and we got Tomas Tortuga. Let's see who else you can get. There's a penguin, an iguana. There's also a sea turtle. I absolutely love that. A batfish, which says I'm single and ready to mingle. A BB Booby. And it looks like Sally Bitefoot Crab. Oh, there's a surprise inside this one. That's really cool. But I love our treat trap. So cool. All right, Kronus, what do you tell everyone for watching your video? Say thank you so much for watching, and tune in next month when I open my next BarkBox. Bye, friends.